Hey YouTube, this is DIY with Donna, and today I wanted to go over some painting tips since we just finished doing some painting in our kitchen and family room. I want to break it down into 4 stages: pre-preparation, preparing your rooms, the actual painting, and putting your room back together. This green was the color of our family room and kitchen before we decided to paint. 20 years ago, we thought this was cool. With age comes wisdom. So, pre preparation would include determining what color you want to paint your room and what type of paint that you want. We painted our kitchen and our family room, so we used semi gloss paint. The other important part is measuring the area that you're going to have to paint because 1 can of paint covers 400 square feet. I measured our kitchen and family room to be approximately 650 square feet. And since we were doing 2 coats, that would be 1,300 square feet. So we would need 4 cans of paint, which would cover 1,600 square feet. But since it was more cost effective to get the 5 gallon tub, that's what we went with. So we would ensure we had enough paint. So the second P is preparing your room. And this is probably the most time consuming part, is where you have to remove everything off the walls. And you also need to clean the walls. You don't want to paint over a dirty wall or dust on the wall. So it's a good ideal to clean up the walls. You also want to take off the covers, the outlet covers, and you want to categorize them. You'll need a slip of paper, a pencil, and storage. I used a sandwich bag to kind of keep all the outlets and other items that I had to put back up in a categorized manner. Also, during the preparation of the room, you may find little divots in the wall that you're going to have to spackle and sand before you start painting. So look over your walls and ensure there's no dents or little holes that need to be fixed prior to you beginning to paint. Also, during the prep of the room, you're going to want to tape off areas. You might want to use a paint shield, but there are going to be portions that you need to tape up. So preparation is definitely important, taking down curtains, curtain rods, and everything, and ensuring that the walls are clean. So the third P is actually doing the painting. When you get your paint, you want to make sure you stir it up very well. Also ensure that you have everything that you need. For tall walls, you're going to probably need a long pole in order to reach higher spaces on the wall. You also probably want to do 2 coats. So you're going to let the first coat dry and then come back and then paint over it a second time to ensure that the paint color is what you want, very solid and full. So if it's going to take several days to paint, you want to make sure at the end of the day when you're finished painting that you clean off your brushes and then put them in a paper bag so they'll be ready to use for the next day. If you leave them out, they're going to get hard and it'll be difficult to use the second time. Lastly, the fourth P is putting your rooms back together. You'll probably need to remove all the tape that you've used to avoid painting in certain areas like your ceiling or your baseboard. And then you are going to have to put back your pictures and also all those outlets that you've taken out. But it'll be good because you have them already categorized in baggies, and you'll know exactly where they go. It also is an opportunity to kind of get rid of things that you didn't want up on your walls and kind of have a new look and a new design for your room. So again, pre-prep, prepping your room, painting, and then putting back your room so it looks very nice. So here is the after. This is on the pony wall, the family room side, above the patio door, and then alongside the wall that has the fireplace. And then here is in the family room above the sofa area. Then as you move into the kitchen area, you can see the paint that's above all of the cabinets. Overall, I'm very happy with how it turned out, the color and everything. If you have any tips, please leave in the comments below. This is DIY with Donna. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you next time.